Filmora has launched some amazing AI assets for the football season, and today we're going to check out a few of them. Want to create AI videos like these? Let me show you how. First, drag your photo onto the timeline. Next, head over to Effects. Open the Football Fever category and choose your favorite effect. I'll be using this one. Simply drag and drop it onto your photo, then click Generate. Now, sit back and let the AI do its thing. You can track the progress right here. And just like that, here's the result. Now let's take a look at these AI transitions. For this, you'll need to clips on your timeline. Place both clips next to each other. Then go to Transitions, AI Transitions, and browse the Football Fever collection. Pick your favorite transition and drag it between the two clips. Click Generate and wait for the magic to happen. Once it's ready, you'll get a smooth football-themed transition like this. And finally, let's create something fun. Go to Stock Media, AI Media, UGC. You'll find plenty of creative templates to choose from. I'm going with this one. Click on the template. Upload your photo. And hit Submit. Then click Generate. In just a few moments, Filmora will turn your photo into a hilarious AI video. Give it a try and see what you can create.